Everything's half price, whatever's marked.
So what's up, baby girl?
What's up, boy? Baby girl.
So beautiful. Huh?
So those are kind of cool. A little fish station. It's got the original booklet. Oh my god.
Those are cool.
1989. Look at that.
Yeah, grab that. I like that. We just got the game. Maybe we found the game.
Yeah.
I don't know about this. It's like a movie right there.
Yeah, and the that one. Bag.
Cool. There's stuff up here too? Yeah. Those are Kevin Durant's, I think. How much? Let's see.
How much are your sneakers? Or are they all different?
I think
These are nice too.
you do $1 for the Crocs and then the rest.
Two? Okay, thank you.
Yep.
Get those. Do you want to get the Crocs for this?
Yeah. What size are they?
Men's 6, women's 8s.
Oh.
They're kind of beat up, but.
Oh, you,
Men's Terrazzo.
I don't want that book.
I love it. Yeah.
I don't know where I should put this now. I thought it was going to be
We'd
like
have to put it
50
down.
cents or something.
Yeah, I'll put it down.
Found a couple shoes.
Couple.
Yeah, couple.
Yeah?
It depends on where you're.
Sorry, I knew it.
Alright, and.
That doesn't have the link, does it?
Oh, there we go. I could be a mob boss.
Does it have the wig? No, it doesn't have the wig.
Oh, really?
Yeah, but it's just the
Was
opposite.
it supposed to come in that?
Yeah. Somewhere in there. And
Oh, is that what it is? So we're at 22. I don't know if you want to re-add everything, but.
No.
So,
all that stuff. That
Mhm.
thing.
this stuff? It's like feathers. And...
Oh.
This is actually a full owl costume, like huge.
Alright. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Hope you enjoy your day and have
you
fun
too.
and sell lots of stuff.
Have a good one.
All right, take care. I probably shouldn't be taking on more shit. Oh, I have that. They're brand new batteries, so let's just switch it out. Oh, I'm not trying to take them.
Oh, you're not
No, I'm actually, I just brought them to, like, see if anybody wanted to hear that. Just,
try it
try
out.
it out.
Wait, I'm gonna get my sunglasses.
Napping champ.
Everything's half price, whatever's marked.
So if it's 10, it'll only be 5 or whatever.
Cool, thanks.
Thank you. We could probably barter.
suitcase is only $1.
Really?
It's really nice inside. I don't know a brand name though. Look at this bag, babe.
Yeah, that's awesome. I like that.
I don't see a price.
I actually want that for me.
It's huge. I don't see a price on it. Oh, nope. You want to grab it? Ask. There's a purse inside it too. That is really cool. What's the price on it? Hold that. Keep a. Taylor, look at this dog.
Oh, jeez. Can I get this? It's $1. Thank you. His name's Luke. I really like him.
You don't want the dog?
What's that?
Take one. Hey, you want to start a pile over here?
Yeah, if you want to set them on the box here, we'll
Cool. Thanks.
we're in this area. We'll
Yeah.
definitely bring it for you. Shop easier with
Look at these puzzles. This one's brand new. I've sold this one before used. She only wants $1 for it.
Really?
This one, look, 3D puzzle, $10. We've sold 3D
Yeah,
puzzles for
big
them, even if we try to get a hold of them.
These are new.
Yeah, this. Me.
What?
So look,
Why?
I don't know. Said I want to see how pretty you are.
Oh, hi. Look at it's just sold for $30 with 15 shipping, so 55. And then all these books, I know, 25 cents. So normally, so I think they'd be. So I'm gonna ask if she'll do a bundle deal. Oh, cool. Do you want to get a book?
Oh, awesome find, Ellie. Christmas table. What? Look at this. I thought she wanted 100. She wants 50 cents.
50 cents?
Dollar.
Why are some things so outrageous and some things like nothing?
I don't know.
Are they vintage?
We're gonna take a chance. 50 cents. Sony battery charger for a quarter.
Look at vintage Holy Roly.
Oh my
I can't
God.
find a year, but it says 50s and 60s
Yeah,
online,
grab
but
that.
it's got writing on it and no pen.
Who cares?
That one.
Yeah, I had a young man here with his dad shopping on Friday,
Girls found the
and he was
jewelry.
getting bored. So he pulled out all the dividers.
It's gonna work. Let's see what this thing is.
connection fee and everything, the whole year.
So that's including air conditioning, the whole house.
Yes.
Geothermal, the whole house is air conditioned.
The original one, we bought these outright too. I just had put up, I used to have hot water panels on the garage and they rotted out, so as long as I had a spare room in the inverter, I put electrical panels on there.
Yeah.
The geothermal.
I mean, we're both in our 70s. Yeah. And so like 15 years ago, it's like, well, yeah, but how much? You know, I mean, you hope you have a really good dinner. Now it's like, maybe we should get it. Say, let's take a trip. Come on.
So. Yeah, go ahead.
Good morning, sir. Just to let you know.
Because if we do it again in a heartbeat.
I know, that's insane.
I got the whole big field up back with my
know what
investment
these
stuff. I
are.
have to put a lot heavier electrical service in, so I've got
Yeah.
30 acres here, so.
Yeah, we probably wouldn't even need all that. We're a tiny ranch. I mean, we have a really small house, so that's all. That's amazing though. 'Cause we have a pool and the pool pump that runs.
Yeah, we had a pool for years and nobody
like
really used it. Grandchildren got older, so we
Yeah.
just tore it down last year, put a gazebo bought
Oh,
from
yeah.
Florida Farms.
Wow, beautiful back there. You guys did a good job. Awesome. Well, thank you for the info. I mean, that's what I promised.
Look at that. We could show.
So I do it again in a heartbeat.
We need these for homeschool. Look at this.
I saw that. I hate when it has that. It's like this weird little. Like look. When you look at these,
Hey, Ellie, look at
they
this.
look perfect, and then flip them over, it has that weird cloud on it. It doesn't wipe off. I don't know what that means. So I don't. I've had. They still work. What the hell? Surge protect. 50 cents. Ratatouille.
Oh, really? That's
I'm kind of interested in this. It's 75 plus half off. So
what is it?
it's a 200 disc CD player.
Do you want it?
I did. It's with all of this 189. But then there's some without all this 99, 89.
But you have it all.
Everything. So yeah,
So how much is it?
75.
Oh,
But it's half off, isn't it?
yeah. So it'd be
32.50. Alright.
yeah. Where's the bullet? Oh. Thank you. Good thing it's fake.
I was the one
You
that
like
turned around
that,
the
huh?
fastest.
I know. I'm like, oh my gosh.
Fix things in the house.
You want to help fix things in the house?
I think we should try to get that.
Yeah. What do you think? 25?
Yeah. There's some cool
Did you
movies.
see this?
Yeah, I looked that up. 25 bucks.
I think that desk for $1.50 is.
Hold on a sec, babe.
But if we can put that, if we could put that, like in the dining room by the table or something
Yeah.
for her school stuff.
We need a chair. We can buy her one.
Easy.
What's that shelf right there?
This or that? The plastic or the?
That one. Not the plastic.
Yeah. Do you want to take this out of the metal file cabinet?
I know how much? 250?
Yeah.
Oh my god. That thing's nice. I'm getting all these brand new ones.
10, so it'd be 5.
I have to look it up. What's
Battery
this?
case and stuff.
8, so this would be 4.
Ah.
Cartridge, one in the house and one in the shop, so
Yeah.
I use those a lot, so I said,
Yeah. 200's a lot.
yeah.
All right.
Yeah,
I
Awesome.
don't know, they might be disc in it too, I never opened it.
Oh,
Bonus.
bonus. I know, right?
Yeah, bonus.
Yeah. We have to taste the music. No. All right. Cool. Thank you. That's awesome.
There's a manual and everything's there with it, so.
Awesome, remote. Thank you.
Like,
Yeah, I know. That's all right. What about the rest of us?
I know, right? Jeez.
Just set it on a wood box if you want.
Thanks.
I brought a couple of boxes out.
Oh, okay. There's a little desk over there we're going to take too. It's perfect.
Hey, what's up? We get your school desk? Did we get your school desk? Yeah,
Okay.
I think. Hold on. Oh, yep. I'm done. Thought they said $2.
Why don't you go make some space in the trunk? Want to do that?
Take the desk with you to try it.
Yeah.
then we can-
Dad's pants are falling down. Maybe I'm losing weight. I don't think so.
Santa's hat.
There was comps up there.
DVD's $2.
Always look for Ed, Edd and Eddy.
Yeah, right?
Always.
Oh, yeah.
I'm not looking for it. Oh, I owe him $5, $6, $7.
7?
7, 8, 9.
9.
He said $2.
Yeah. 209, and I owe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
This is $40. I got one game, this, and 5 of these, so $9.
So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah.
Yep, there you go.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Yep.
Are all the books $1? Like these ones too? Okay.
Put $1 on the fiction novels.
Yeah. So what do you want to do these ones
The Harley books, I'd say probably 5 a piece, or at least for the manuals. That
Okay.
reader one, I'd let that go for $1.
for? Okay.
No, that one.
That one, yeah. What did
No,
you?
those
That
are,
was $1
I'd give
too?
you $1. Yeah.
Oh,
Okay,
let's do
so
7 for help. Or 6. All right.
yeah, yeah.
6.
All right, we'll get
Okay, 6.
exactly what you just gave me back, and you can change and give it back to you. Thank you very much.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
The camera. You want to turn around and wave at the camera? You want to do that?